Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming.
Tell us something, girlfriend.
So guys, right now, today I went. Today I April 9. April 9 hour. Also, yeah. And tomorrow holiday also, right? So we are go on the road now because we are starting tomorrow. 3 o'clock. Nobody's not supposed to out on the road. No. Tomorrow 3 o'clock. Nobody not supposed to out on the road. Alright. On our way to Mega Mart.
Yeah, Mega Mart go do.
And so I'm gonna use them bathroom because that's the nearest place to me right now and do the technique. So I'm gonna use them bathroom. Look out in a Mega Mart full.
Jesus Christ, not because of the holiday. Everybody buy out the bun, them and I want to buy 2, you know.
Guys, in a Mega Mart so full, we not even have masks. You know, say carelessness this.
No, we should have.
We should have masks, so we not have it. Carelessness, because we're going to walk up and down and I'll be a crowd. One of them can sing it. I like it no good. And my employee just over there, we're going to join line to Mega Mart. And inside a Mega Mart showroom, that's where all of this stuff happen. You know, over here, full, look here. What around here looking for?
Yeah? Police the map where you broke up.
Yeah.
Your trunk thing.
Yeah.
Why not, brother?
So guys, we just reached the Mega Mart and so I'm book up on Udis.
Big up Abbi and Kepe, you don't know?
Yeah.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel on Facebook and
YouTube. We name.
Famous Family Squad.
Alright. Yeah guys, go and go subscribe and so.
Yes,
Alright guys, so I'm take off my hat and so you know, because my hat did I do all on my face and so you know. I'm know so I don't know some ugly already and so I'm gonna embrace the ugliness.
I mean not ugly, don't say that in the camera.
I'm cute?
Like monkey.
Guys, so I'm gonna buy this for myself. I'm gonna buy some snacks now.
Let's do it.
How much things did you buy? Only not buy me not give money that.
We not buy 50. We not pay 30, yeah? But I know more them, none of them here.
Rich.
None of them here is not for Uno. I go on a strict diet.
Abbi, want to buy me 2 of this
How would
now?
you say today? Use it one? Use it.
Them boy I wash out them bottom when them do.
Hold it.
Guys in here full my friend.
Somebody can buy me that pillar here.
We do what
That
you
pillar here, I feel like comfortable. You have on me yard, man.
You're bad boy. You come like that boy.
You forgot about the other thing. Yeah, Papa, walk on. You take it too far. Anything but that.
Bad boy. The boy that boy. Move with your boom this morning gone down the road, down a Richie Drive.
No, you boom.
Yeah. But tell him say here boom, you want to sit in that bag.
Right. So when you start watching, so what you say? You have to pay twice and triple for that.
Yeah.
Right, nice. Well, I got my Oreo, right? So I put on what I have before, put them back, and then buy the Oreo. So I'm save money. Abbi now, should take up the Oreo and keep a shop before and waste money which you don't need. Shopping tip.
Waste money what you don't need. Now you're so stupid, motherfucker. So after about 2 hours in a Mega Mart, we just get to leave. In a Mega Mart Ram, guys. I'm not know if I shoot tomorrow, holiday hour, but in a Ram.
Today I'm going to relax now in a little driveway.
Yeah, we still up on the road.
Parking lot. I'll be there tired, I want to sleep, but my day I'm going to see him, you know, man.
Guys, my day are traumatized. Every time I come on the road, it's like my whole body feels sick.
I want to go to Price Mart.
She's paranoid, she can't take it no more.
something.
Stay in the yard.
And we are trying to get some masks because I see what some, you know, every time I come outside, I see what some guys, so I have to make sure to protect themselves.
I love to that. But serious something. But for real.
I should not take it serious.
She intends to come around to
serious,
traumatize people. So I want to be careful out there and make sure I'm washing the hand every time I go outside. And in the house too. Washing the face.
We don't have to wash your hand enough time, man. Because when I meet people enough time, I wash my hand. And keep ever say, go and go wash your hand. Go and go wash your hand.
You're nasty, you're not be free though.
Then, boy, you have to wash it now.
I've been a care about hand. I've been nasty. So people don't be a Abbi. Washing the hand.
True,
take
guys.
all the precautionary measures.
Yeah.
Because trust me, with the man now, we don't know what come tomorrow.
Guys, but yes, free
I'm
money
sorry.
I give away. Free money I give away.
Okay. The government of Jamaica is providing us with grants.
Stop. Are you rank? No, I'm smell some ring.
I be really be able to watch a ball and pissing. Yo, we look to yellow yesterday, man.
Capatana.
People, Jamaica's government is providing us with compensation grants for tertiary students, grant for part program beneficiaries, and unemployed people. There's a link, probably I will put in the description. I will, so you can click on it. Today, the 9th of the month here, we are all going to be able to apply for that grant, alright? So people get benefits like...
That's a way to message you guys. So, unemployment, tertiary students, who else?
Yes.
Old people and them somebody.
And persons that are senior people who usually benefit people who...
Can you talk properly now?
May I try?
But no, me tell them say when me
10 grand them say. And 9 grand.
10 grand a week.
Not a week. The
No,
one-time
one
payment.
time.
And this money is a one-time payment for people, right? $10,000 Dominican dollars to now get.
So guys, you need to just click the link and see if you don't get look free money also. So me I gonna try that too and see if I get look free money.
It's not free, it's taxpayers' money I use, right? So click the link in the bio and see if you benefit, if you can benefit from the money as well.
Yeah, when I have to check, I only gonna know if you not qualify. You have to try first, you know, yeah? You get what I say? Yeah.
Abbi, what the fuck do you, my lad?
And I put them,
Abbi.
and I put them cheesy.
My lad, you put them on.
You cool last story there.
I said, my man, you can't find it.
You
I'm there to talk tough, you know.
We could buy one bag juice.
Abbi, move your foot.
You want me to move it too?
Yeah, my knife.
Abbi, cut the fuck you out with the foot in my youth. Abbi, you're not going to move his blood clot here until you move the foot in her.
Can you take them stinking summer down?
Sweet and girl must cheat. Here she within the first week. She did already from the first beat.
So guys, we just reached back home. Right now, I'm gonna finish edit my video for Capos TV for post. Right now, I make my thumbnail and everything. I'll be tired of her, so she did there going to look out that space, you understand? So guys, make sure you just be safe, you know. Be safe, be careful, and all them things, they understand? Alright.
Alright guys, that Jesus must stay by. So I just reach back in my belly band again. You know, I have my belly band and work out this morning answer. So right now we're supposed to play one board game. I'm gonna show you soon. So, you know, yeah, make sure so while under that woman don't want to work out and so you know, don't sit down and get fat like me. Don't be an Abbi. Yeah. So stay tuned.
You can start from here, so the first three, or anything below. One hand alone play the game. You can use one hand to push, move.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored in the house, bored in the
One more jacket there. Wait, one more jacket there.
Come the cap
One more jacket there.
Okay, you're bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and yeah, bored in the house and
I'm a jacket more, I have shoes. I'm a jacket.
hey Kevin!
Yeah, come down.
I'm still up by your jacket, alright?
So all this other stuff. Quarantine.
Everything you got on that. What if the kitchen too dusty in the camera?
People, I need to go through every day with the fat people then. I still want some of me I tell them, be a problem in here. Be a problem in here. That's what I'm behave, the way I'm behave. Too much violence on me.
Right here.
Alright guys, so we're gonna play the board game here. Enough, no. Enough. I'm
called
gonna know
Jenga.
what it is. Jenga. So guys, apparently, me just end the game guys. The game didn't have to come to an end.
No, tell them the truth.
So watch the clip here.
We gon' party tonight.
Come on, grab it.
Go in night, grandma.
No, wait. Some of you push it to the...
Hold on there.
Come grab it.
Come on. I'll be there.
Now breathe.
Woo! On the complaints, so we vlog them short and we vlog them this, so we vlog them that. So you know what? We are trying to add more activity in our phone. You don't need to keep on the exercise. Don't stay in the house and do exercise because exercise help. Alright? Alright, so if I'm going to see me with a scandal, so when I know say I'll be a madness, I go on.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell them when I go do.
Guys, I know say most of them on on TikTok already. I already know once I see somebody with a scandal bag, what going to take place.
Them
Yeah.
don't know, Abbi.
Them don't know. Alright, for the ones them wanna know,
Yeah,
they go show no something. So guys, you see if you not find yourself, where them do?
But the curfew rules.
Yeah, but the curfew rules, guys, but not intentionally, you know. You know, for best on the safe side, you just walk with one of them bag here.
You know why?
Yeah, so suppose you blow the curfew, not intentionally, you know. You just get caught up and you have to come out of the place or come out somewhere after 8. When you walk with the bag here, the purple where them a come, I go show no one can do with the bag. Alright. And Capper is going to demonstrate in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so that now you transform yourself in one garbage bag. Talk short. You think, alright, police are gonna find him because guess what? Film put everything outside. Okay, come on already here guys. You know what? Me I gonna do it and try a show no.
Yo.
Come on that.
Garbage bag, hot in one. Go, Abbi. Abbi, I'm not sure. Alright, so don't act like police now. I just see one woman around the night. Yeah. It look like say, I can't see this. I want it. Where the bag come from here, so? Hold on there. Hey! Come here, man. Let me turn the place, man.
Guys, it's because I'm at home. I ripped my pants.
Like SpongeBob.
Yeah guys, so that's one of the ways you can actually save yourself at night or something. Yeah, at night, you know, so you know, when you really not gonna get show up, just make sure say, when you turn on the back to our wall, that's when the foot no show.
Yes.
Alright? So alright. Moving on to our next stick. Alright guys. As you can see, what is careful?
Vacuum.
We have a vacuum, right?
Yeah.
And we have the bag. So, I don't know all this beneficial, you know. We don't see on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Abbi Atal.
Follow me. I am Cappuccino.
Yeah, so we see on TikTok and we say, you know what? This look fun but stupid at the same time. And you know, so we love the fun and stupid things. And so we say we're gonna try it.
Hope it works still, because the bag them kind of look tiny.
Yeah.
But because my girl is very small and petite, I think she can fit in there.
Looks like it can work, you know, Abbi.
Come on, Abbi, you got this.
Does it look like
Oh, Abbi. 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 So people, I got turn on the vacuum and try and observe all of the air inside of this and make Abbi look suck out like one skeleton. When you hit the light button for HD, girl. No, okay, no. Put the bag there, put the bag. There's a bag there. Hold on. One deal. One deal, someone now. Don't feel like that. One deal. You go there, so.
Come again. I strongly don't recommend this to people under the age of 15 years. This is fun, but at the same time, it's dangerous, guys. It's kind of dangerous. I felt I was gonna die. I'm not sure if I'm that Traumatized her.
Based on how she a babe. Then look at the time to me. Abbi.
Alright guys, so right now, Kepa go play a little football. So for end the vlog. And so,
Yes, people.
yeah.
Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe and go so hit the like button
Yeah.
and go so and share the video.
Yeah.
Screen record part and post on social media and tag we night.
Yeah.
We not laugh with you know.
Yeah.
We not laugh.
Yeah.
Hey, see you what? Gang!
Yeah.
Alright.
Guys, remember to follow me on Instagram below and go subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Kepa
Comedy TV.
Guys, we're so start post a little prank on the comedy TV too, you know.
Don't
I see
subscribe.
we're gonna explain the reason in another video. And so, yeah.
Subscribe to Abbi's
Madness.
and subscribe to
Kepa's TV.
Yes, guys, I want to know if you go check out Jorin Children YouTube
guys.
channel.
Go and go support them. Our friend, go support. Make sure you tell us that Abbi and Kepa send you know. And so,
People, Jorin is not a normal friend. Jorin did it. I wanna uno. You may tell you no?
yeah.
I wanna uno.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guys, I said the last time when they go up on live and give her credit, as she do it.
Okay.
She said, give a subscriber them credit. But go and go support her because she go do it again. But show the love, guys. Show the love.
So go on to check her out right now, man. Just go check her out. Watch her video. She have about 2 videos now. Go watch 2 of them.
Yeah.
And comment. Watch it to the end. Watch
Yeah.
it to the end.
Yeah.
Alright.
And so,
How the man in the background come with?
we don't know all this stuff though.
Don't watch the man in the background. Then come for pick mango. We them pick mango.
Yeah.
You understand?
I'm begging for come over the yard.
Yeah. Alright, people. If you see man road, on our fans them, you see me? On our fans them, man.
I saw what treat with subscribers with pure love.
Yeah.
Yeah. So until then, AC Gang is
Out.
bye.